Ay, ate, dito kaya. Ay, dito pinamansin ko. Kaya nakaligat. Kaya sila. Ay, so, okay na.
Pass to number 10. Pass to number 18. Kakuha ng good. First throw. Second throw. Good again. Pass to number 19. Foul. Magaling crossover pa more. Number 1. Ang ganda ng pass. Number 1. Okay, high foul. Nagmamadali din. Ganda ng layup naman. Number 88. Tumira ng net. Kamati shot. Number 88. Sexy na naman lumay. 61. Sinino Lee. Reporting ng cover. Number 88. Nagbababa ng bola. Sinalaksak. Easy 2 points. Number 88, six-step move. Pass to number 1. First personal foul and third team foul. Second team ka mo tayo. Is good. Pass to number 1. Ganda naman ang talong. Ang taas. Wala. Alam na mapapasahan. Pass to number 34. Pass to number 18. Tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound by. Okay. Nagka-ano doon. Pass to number 18. Easy layup na to. Ika.